At nagpapatuloy ang Clark in Focus. Samahan nyo kaming i-explore ang dalawang exciting destinations dito sa Freeport. Isa sa pinakabagong hotels dito kung saan matatanaw ang mayamang greeneries ng Clark. Your new home, away from home. Ang Signia Hotel.
Signia with a capital X. X as in X Factor here in Clark. Ganyan inilarawan ng opisyal ng Signia Hotel ang kanilang accommodation na hango sa ancient virtue of hospitality o isang katangian ng mahusay na pag-aasikaso. A residence intended for the gods ang theme ng kanilang hotel at ang papasyalan natin sa Explore Clark.
Now, Dongbang Corporation is a group of Koreans who invested here in Clark way back during the time of 2010. Now, they constructed a complex here. It's 1.6 hectares and the building is actually composed of 3 towers. Initial plan was that they're going to construct a condominium, and the original plan is to invite investors like fast food, eateries, laundry shop. The building was inaugurated last February of 2012. Yeah, why Signia? Well, Signia is an ancient virtue of hospitality. He has this trait to be hospitable even to the humblest of strangers. And he's a provider for all the comfort of all the travelers, so they say. So whenever he does that, he transformed into another deity, which is called Zeus Tinios. Zeus Zinios, actually, it's a spelling. So that came about Signia, which is the very vision of Signia Hotel, to provide service, to provide hospitality, even to the humblest of strangers. So that's where we got our name. So right now, we are having an inventory of 145 rooms. We have the deluxe room, suite at that. So you have a bedroom and a living room. And then comes next is the 2-bedroom, which is good for a couple, for a family, for a small family at that. And then our pride and glory, the executive suite. It's a 3-bedroom unit. Actually, 5 people could fit in it. Our cuisine is a mixture of international, traditional, local, and even Korean touch. For weddings, debuts, and other occasions, we have function rooms as well, subdivided into 3 parts, but could be opened into one whole hall. If there are some seminars and conventions, we do what we call the classroom setup, but for occasions like birthdays, we do, of course, the round table setup or the regular banquet. Well, people categorize us as a 4-star. But if you're going to ask me, probably I would rate us as a rising star.
Okay. Yeah.
Clark is the home of multi-million-dollar industries, prestigious golf courses. You have Clark Development Corporation that really handles locators here. What else could you ask for more? Traffic situation is not bad. The competition actually will always be there. But look at the bright side. With the advent of these 5-star hotels, facilities I'm sure will be developed. Telecommunications, road networks. So people will tend to go to Clark because they know that the prestigious hotels are here. So probably, yes, it's a competition, but then again, it's very, very healthy. From time to time, they even contact the hotel and ask them, what do we need? And that's something that's really, well, it's almost like pampering us. Well, the restaurant opens up 6 o'clock in the morning, but our coffee shop is on a 24-hour basis. Well, aside from those 2 outlets, we have lunch. It's an entertainment corner. We have our acoustic nights every Friday and Saturday nights. Also, we have a poolside alfresco dining area at the 4th floor. You dine, you unwind under the stars. Yes, it's very invigorating to the soul. And of course, not to mention, of course, the pool. We have an adult pool and we have a children's pool.
Isang best practice na shinare ni Mark ang pagbibigay nila ng oportunidad sa mga senior citizens na kaya pang magtrabaho sa Signia Hotel. Walang age limit ang employment opportunities sa nasabing hotel.
probably the best practice that we have here in Senior Hotel is that we entertain and accommodate employment even to senior citizens. I'm not sure about the other establishments, but generally they have these age limitations, right? Probably from 21 to 35. The oldest employee that we have here is almost 60 years old. As long as the person is capable enough on doing the job. Yeah.
Really not that strict.
No.
Based on age.
No.
As long as they can perform.
Yes, that's right. And I think it opens up new avenues because, you know, people tend to get weary when they retired, you know, from the private sector. But here we open up our doors to them. Kindly visit us at www.facebook.com/SeniaPH. Senia is with a capital X. Why capital? Because we are the X Factor here in Clark. And then we also have our website. It's www.seniahotel.ph. So please check it out. Visit our websites regularly for our upcoming promos and events. So there you go. I am inviting everyone to please visit the hotel. And we will assure you that you will be given service worthy of the gods.
You are watching Clark in Focus.
Para naman sa segment ng Clark Chronicles, isang sikat na landmark o palatandaan na malapit na kayo sa Clark Freeport, ang Salakot. Alamin kung ano ang sinisimbolo nito at ang kasaysayan sa likod ng tinaguriang sombrero ng magsasaka.
Karagulusan ako tayo ni. Wala, di kaya giyawa ini. Dito kaya mayunod ka din eh.
Boss! Kasim! How are you? What's up? Ano yan? Gino ko na? Masabi ka pag-bisigan din naman.
Saan ba, Trek? Ay, sa lakot na yan. May ka bandi ka niya.
Kung sana kita ulit ng istorya, pakiramdaman mo.
Salakot. Ito ay isang tradisyonal na sombrero ng mga Pilipino. Madalas itong iguhit at iugnay kay Juan de la Cruz o isang tipikal na Pinoy. Parang isang maliit na payong ang hugis ng salakot. Patusok ang ulo nito at bilog ang ilalim. Maaaring gawa ito sa ratan o di kaya naman ay sa tambo. Ang pangunahing gamit ng salakot ay upang maging proteksyon laban sa init ng mga nagtatrabaho sa ilalim ng araw tulad ng mga magsasaka. Pwede rin itong gamitin bilang isang pamaypay o di kaya naman ay isang bilao o isang malaking basket. Sa loob ng Bayanihan Park ay matatagpuan ang isang malaking salakot na naging atraksyon at tatak ng mga Anghelenyo. Matatagpuan ang salakot malapit sa main gate ng Clark at ito ay sumasagisag sa matagal ng pagiging magkaalyado ng Pilipinas at Amerika. Orihinal itong itinayo bilang simbolo ng pirmahan sa pagitan ng ating bansa at ng Estados Unidos sa Military Bases Agreement noong 1950s. Sa kasalukuyan, ang ilalim ng salakot ay ginagawang tanghalan ng mga sayaw, ehersisyo o kaya meeting place at lugar para mag-ensayo ang mga estudyante at ilang pang mamamayan sa Angeles at karatig lugar nito.
Ano niya pala sobrang gano'n. Kaya mga balik niya kamukha.
Para naman sa mga gusto ng mas pina-level up na samgyupsal at iba pang Korean food, halina at samahan nyo kami sa Grilled Soul. Lahat ng yan sa Explore Clark.
Maraming trabaho sa Clark Freeport Zone. At narito ang mga pamamaraan kung papaano kayo makakapag-apply ng trabaho sa mga kumpanya dito. Una, sa pamamagitan ng email at ikalawa naman ay sa pagsumite ng aplikasyon sa mismong opisina ng Clark Development Corporation. Narito ang mga pamamaraan ng pag-email ng aplikasyon para sa trabaho. Ipadala ang resume o biodata sa email address na jobs@clark.com.ph. Hintayin ang kumpirmasyon na natanggap na ng CDC ang resume o biodata ninyo. Susuriin ng CDC ang resume o biodata kung nagtutugma ito sa bakanting posisyon. Para naman sa mga aplikante na magtutungo sa CDC, narito ang mga dapat tandaan. Magdala ng resume o biodata with colored picture sa External Affairs Department, CSR and Placement Division sa Building 2089, Cardinal Santos Street, Clark, Freeport Zone. Ang office hours ay mula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Sulatan ng application form. Paalala, isang application form para sa isang aplikante. Idikit ang job application form sa inyong biodata o resume. Pumunta sa job bulletin board at tignan ang job vacancies. Mag-log on sa Daily Job Application Database. Susuriin ng CDC kung maaaring ipadala ang aplikante sa kumpanya.